Welcome to a new chapter in your e-commerce journey with our comprehensive Shopify store setup and onboarding service by NorthWoods Group. Our team understands the excitement and challenges of launching an online store, whether you're just starting out or seeking expert guidance. Our team is here to ensure a smooth and successful entry into Shopify. Embark on your Shopify adventure with confidence. Our all-inclusive service is designed to fast-track the launch of your first Shopify store. From the ground up, we provide a seamless onboarding experience, tailoring every aspect to align perfectly with your brand's identity. Our seasoned professionals are adept at handpicking and customizing the ideal theme for your e-commerce store. We prioritize user engagement and conversion rates, infusing your site with innovative features to accommodate projects of any scale. The key aspects of our service include various steps to make your store more successful. During your store configuration, we take care of everything from setting up your account to selecting a domain name. We also configure critical elements like shipping, taxes, and payment methods, custom tailoring these settings to meet your business's unique needs. Then, we work with you to select a theme that represents your brand in the best way possible. Your online store's appearance is pivotal. Our team assists in selecting a Shopify theme that reflects your brand and ensures user-friendly navigation. We personalize this theme to accentuate your brand's unique charm. Our next step is to create a product management plan, which is crucial to your store's outline. We help organize and categorize your products, ensuring a smooth user experience. Our support extends to product descriptions, pricing strategies, and managing product imports or exports. Next, we work with the apps and extensions that enhance your capabilities. During this phase, we integrate essential apps and extensions to improve your store's functionality. This includes everything from inventory management to marketing and customer service tools explicitly chosen to boost your store's capabilities. After the store is running, we take our service to the next level by providing extensive training and ongoing support. This empowers you to manage your Shopify store confidently. From setup walkthroughs to platform tutorials, we're here every step of the way. Opt for our Shopify complete onboarding and setup service for a sturdy e-commerce foundation. Let our experts handle technicalities while you focus on branding. Ready to start your Shopify journey? Reach out to us and let's set the stage for your success. Begin your Shopify adventure with NorthWoods. Expert guidance, personalized setup, and ongoing support, all at your fingertips. Let us help you get online today.